Welcome back to my channel, foodies. I'm Chef Comfort of Lena Scott TV, and here on this yummy channel I teach you how to make easy and delicious recipes in a snap. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my 3 ingredients no yeast instant donuts. Guys, these donuts are super duper delicious and so easy to make. You can also enjoy it in chocolate, glazed, and sugar donuts. They are so delicious. But before we get right into the cooking action, I want you to click the subscribe button and turn on your notifications bell, because I share a new recipe right here on this channel every week. Trust me, you don't want to miss it though. Now let's get into the cooking action.